How often do you get a box that has you on it? I have an idea who this is from, and I kind of wanted to take you along for the journey, because what's the fun in opening strange boxes unless someone's there to witness it? Here we go. Such a nice box. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, look at that. EOS. It's from EOS. Oh, General Lattice. And our friends at Dimension. Look at that. And a letter. Dear Joel, aka Mr. 3D Printing Nerd, thank you for featuring us in the Rapid Plus TCT 2023 Show and Telling live stream. We hope your viewers enjoyed the Wilson Airless Prototype Basketball and the Bird Drone Company's Falcon drone.
This has flown for up to an hour.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That was a good time. That live stream was amazing, and I'm so thankful a lot of you were able to tune into that show and telling, and what EOS brought was pretty fantastic. We heard that the 3D printed hammer featured at Formnext 22 was still on your mind.
Check it.
Yeah!
Position.
Yeah!
Good job.
And who better to have such a 3D printed novelty than the 3D printing nerd himself? I'm kind of really excited here. We've even teamed up with General Lattice and Dimension to print a matching TPU pad. Feel free to test the strength. Please enjoy this token of appreciation from our team to yours for bringing 3D printing excitement, education, and creativity to viewers across the globe. It's shows like yours that inspire STEM students to dig deeper into the possibilities of additive manufacturing, and we're thankful to be part of the story. Let's build the future together. Best, the EOS team. And look at this. It's hammer time. Now, as a child of the 80s and the 90s, I can't think of hammer time without thinking of MC Hammer in Hammer Pants doing the hammer dance, right? Oh, 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 oh. That was a poor representation of dance, and I apologize. Well, EOS, that's really nice of you all to send this my way. I want to be careful with unpacking this. This is pretty fantastic. Look at this. It is a giant TPU bumper. Just like similar to the one that I pounded the crap out of at Formnext 2022 and took second place. Dad strength, right? Yeah, this is gonna be great. Okay. Look, there it is. Oh my goodness. Hammer! Yes! This is 3D printed, except for the fasteners right here. Oh, it's so good. So the head of the hammer was printed on the EOS M290 system. And in EOS aluminum ALSI 10MG, it is a metal powder. Post-processing was done with blasting and tumbling. The handle of the hammer was printed on the EOS P770 system in EOS PA 2200, a nylon-esque material. Post-processing was bead blasting and airbrush coloring. Now the digital foam TPU pad, it was printed on the EOS P396 system in EOS TPU 1301. It is a thermoplastic elastomer, so it can be hit with a hammer. Post-processing was blasting and deep dye coloring. That doesn't get old. Jeez. Well, this is outstanding. I've been sent some things before, but this is quite possibly one of the coolest. This is amazing. Hammer! There's a guy on TikTok, Tank, I believe, and he likes to duet people that have cool hammers. In fact, he duetted the Hacksmith a number of times because of cool hammers. Well, Tank, if you see this, I hope you like it. Hammer! There's only one thing left to do, and I'm kind of excited at saying this out loud, because if I say it out loud, it might happen. The digital pad and the hammer At Formnext 2022, we're a part of an activation where you could swing the hammer, hit this hard, and then it would measure it in a way and put a number up on a board. I have the hammer. I have the digital TPU pad here. What if I built the rest of it? Like the rest of it. What if we built ourselves that thing that where you could hit it with the hammer and measure how hard you hit it, and then what if that existed at a Rep Rap festival? How cool would that be?
What are you waiting for, huh?
I really hope that I'm able to then take this and show it to more people. I hope that I am able to build this activation and take it to shows where people who might not, the people at these shows who might not have the chance to go to industrial shows but want to witness industrial additive manufacturing, what's capable. Like this is the goal. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, and hammer all the things. And as always, high five.